Okay, I want to quickly go over the corporate email system here. Back into Popeye's Burbank, I'm going to click on the shortcut Stanware Enterprise Mail. Okay, as you see, it automatically logs you in. I've pre-configured each one of them to automatically enter in the username and password. The username is going to be the name of the location at spiceybird.com. The password is going to be olive oil, like Popeyes and olive oil. Okay, so basically it's just a standard email client. Here's your inbox. Most of you are pretty familiar with the way the Google client works. Just click Compose Mail. This is a new mail. To button. You can choose from a list of contacts that we have here, which are going to be all the other locations, or specify your own address that it will remember next time. You can attach a file here. This is where you can attach, documents, spreadsheets, reports back to home office. We're also going to create groups for nightly emails for all of them to use. One of the reasons why we wanted to standardize the email and get everybody on the same domain is for several reasons. One, so that everybody can pretty much by memory know the email address to who they need to send to based on the location and the domain. Another one is to where we have one central console that we can add and remove users. We don't have to contact the ISP to make those changes. You basically need to just call me or someone from my office to make a change, and we can do that pretty instantaneously. Another one is for the use of the corporate calendar. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And this is where we can post corporate events, weekly, monthly. I can switch to monthly, and you can just kind of see that maybe we have a meeting on the 28th. We can set up a meeting date that everyone can access, contribute to. This, I believe, will be pretty useful for us in the future. Another one is documents. I think down the road we're going to be using this quite a bit, where we have common corporate documents that we all contribute to. Maybe someone needs to pull a couple of reports down at a new location, a new workstation. We can store all of our corporate documents here and also collaborate on them at the same time. We'll get into that a little bit later once we get to that point. But basically, this is the way the mail works. Again, most of you know how it works, but we're using the Google to set us up for more of a corporate collaboration down the road with calendars and documents. That concludes the email part of it. One of the things I want to add is that we really need to get all of the managers and supervisors converted over to the spiceybird.com domain. We're about 80% through converting all the locations, but we would like for each of the managers, supervisors to call in and when they have time, allow me to take control of their system, or just to give them the configuration settings to set up their own personal email. Right now, they know, most of the employees know what the email address is for the store, but there's some confusion as far as what the manager's emails are going to be, and why have they not changed to spiceybird.com. So we kind of like to do that pretty quickly if we can.